In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're looking to use an image you've prepared or make one directly within Acrobat, I've got you covered. This tutorial applies to both Windows and macOS users, so let's dive right in. To create a permanent custom stamp from an image, first open Acrobat and navigate to the Tools section. Once there, you'll want to choose the Stamp tool. You'll then see an option for custom stamps where you should select Create. Now click on Browse to locate your image file, which could be a PDF, JPEG, or PNG. For the best results, try using a high contrast image with a transparent background, if that's possible for you. Once you've selected your image, the Create Custom Stamp dialog box will appear. Here you can either pick an existing category or create a new one for better organization. Make sure to give your stamp a distinctive name that you can easily remember. After completing these steps, hit Save or OK to finalize the creation of your stamp. Your newly created stamp will then be readily available under Custom Stamps and can be effortlessly placed on any PDF by going to Stamp, then Custom Stamps, and selecting your stamp from the list. If you're looking to create a dynamic stamp which includes text fields or dates, you'd begin by following the same path. Start from Tools, head to Stamp, and select Custom Stamps, then click on Create. Browse to choose a PDF file that already contains the stamp artwork as well as any text fields you wish to incorporate. In the Create Custom Stamp dialog, choose Dynamic if that option is available. This setting allows for fields like the date or username to auto-populate when you insert the stamp. After saving, you can insert your dynamic stamp using Stamp, Custom Stamps, and then selecting your stamp. If you have an existing image or PDF that you want to use as a stamp, open the PDF that you want to stamp. Much like before, go to Tools, then Stamp, and head to Custom Stamps. Click on Create, browse for your file, and then name and categorize your new stamp. Simply click OK to save. You can then use your stamp by selecting Stamp and choosing your newly created stamp from the list, placing it on any page as needed. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to create your own custom stamps in Adobe Acrobat. If you did find it useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.